Yo, 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 yo. Shit, man. Mm-mm-mm. I ain't even get to play, bro. Whatever, man. Just know it's better to have your bills paid than to just be chasing the markets. You feel me? It's better to have your bill paid than chasing the markets. That being said, bro, so I've mapped out this play on QQQ. But we go in a little deeper so you can see. Actually, no. So, like I said, I color code everything, right? So I had me like a little flag pattern that's forming, and it's literally in the middle of it. So I saw that on the daily. I'm like, all right, cool. Be playing amongst these lines all the way down until this break up or break down, wherever. You feel me? So when I first identified this little flag on the daily, I saw cool. When it first came down and hit the bottom of this flag, which is the support, I noticed that it created a 15-minute crab pattern. So I'm like, all right, cool, this is beautiful. And then I was able to draw a shark pattern on top of that because it all aligned. So this all aligned along with this. So it made sense for me to, well, I didn't catch that because I broke paying bills, bro. Come on, whatever. Ain't broke now, but it is what it is. You can't catch them all. So anyway, when this first play happened, as soon as it hit this area, as soon as it hit my daily, it went up for 3 hours. If the market fell asleep, and then it woke up $5 up. That's beautiful. Then the market went up during that day. It then gapped up again. That's beautiful. Now, I was waiting on this play. I was waiting on this play. I was trying to see if it was going to play out, and it did. Because what happened was, once it hit my D leg along with that daily resistance line, it created a bearish engulfment candle right here. So that means this red candle outperformed the last green candle, which is beautiful. So that would have been your confirmation to get your money. Ooh, as you see, the market from that area, it fell $12 in a day. So I'm not hyped to jump into this shit all crazy. You feel me? What I want to see is I key want to see this. So this is how I draw a pattern. I'm gonna go to the recent low to the recent high, and then I'm gonna get my 50% level right here, which is my B. So if all is great, this is the white line is a support resistance, so that's gonna be my support. If all is great, it looks like a 636, which could be a Gartley or a crab. So boom, if this lines up right here, boom, and fall down, shit. Jeez. All right. If this happens, we looking at a crab. We looking at a crab. You feel me? So what we want to do is, because it's gonna be the 618. What we're gonna do is, it's already right here at the B leg. I'm looking for a pullback since it's on the resistance line, the support line. I mean, so it should pull back all the way up to this now resistance line, the trend line. Once to report back to that trend line and create me a bearish move, I would then play that move all the way down. You feel me? God damn. The target on QQQ is 491. I done said it, y'all. The target on QQQ is 491. And this, I just literally showed y'all how you project your play with just patterns. You feel me? So I also see this though. So I'm conflicted a little bit because there's two plays already set up. I'm gonna go to daily. So right now on Google, we set. We have a daily bat pattern along with this weekly support and resistance. I'm pretty sure this is the highest it's been. Yeah. Let's see what's up. I'm pretty sure this is the highest it's been ever. So I'm not banking on just to reverse from this area. But hey, man, fucking around and catch me in the rose with some tissue. This is the highest it's been. Who that's C. Now I drew that because everything is popping off that line. I ain't gonna cap. Let me go back down so I can see more clearly. Everything popping off that. You feel me? This is the highest it's been. Everything popping. And technically, I'm gonna make this shit go higher. I was off the joke. Ugh. Everything popping off this. So I'm not gonna lie. This could be considered the spring back test. But what we want to do is let me draw a squiggly. So what we want is no. Ugh, ugh. What we want is that's what we want. You feel me? So we kind of want this to pull back and test that monthly again, and then I want some bearish reaction at that area. So I'm gonna keep it a bean. I want a bearish engulfment or like a harami or some shit like that. Something with a long wick or a big candle reflecting off that blue line, which is my monthly line. That'd be sexy. And then my projection, what I'm looking for is God, if we do that, bro, that'd be crazy as shit. But this is what it looks like. It looks like it could possibly do. We can't see the future. It's a book called Trading in the Zone. It allows you to kind of think in great probabilities and open your mind up. We can't act like we know what the fuck gonna happen. We can only react. So that's why I drew that line of it pulling back, and if it hit that area, then I want to get in because it could possibly fill this gap area, this whole gap area, and come all the way back down to this trend line at $174. So Google is at currently Google is at 197.53. It's projected. It looks like it's projected to go down to at least 174. You feel me? Now, who am I? Who am I to say it won't do that? Or who am I to say it won't just hit this line, this weekly resistance, or this monthly right here and pop off that jump? You feel me? So we got some range. We got some range. You feel me? I want to draw this out to see if it's going to make a pattern or some shit. Okay. So we got a B point. So with the patterns for a bat, you want the middle to at least be uh, 38.2% to 50%, or that's it. You feel me? So right now it's at 44.1. Boom. You don't want that C rate to go past that A, or it's going to be invalid. And then everything look like it's lining up, bro. It looked like it's lining up all. It looked like it can very well line up all right here. You feel me? A bat pattern lining all right here against this trend line, this daily trend line. And then once it get there, then it's straight buys. You feel me? So yeah, man, I'm just gonna be waiting. I'm stalking this shit. So you eat what you kill. So now I gotta wait. Can't be hyper. Oh my god, it's gonna drop. It could very well drop, but it could also pull back. So I'd rather wait for that pullback, see what's up with the reaction at that monthly, and let's get it popping. Another thing that's making me real confident with this play is another thing that's making me real confident with this play You kind of got like an Adam and Eve double top. Maybe like an Adam and Adam. But peep game, peep game, peep game. It's showing us something right here. So it can give us like a. This is all giving us a double top. If it give us a triple, that'd be beautiful. I ain't gonna care. Jeez, can you give us a triple? Can we do some freak shit to where we react off this weekly since it's a strong line, pull back, give us something freaky? Then quads, we catching this shit all the way down. So you just gotta be patient and wait. You can't just draw the lines and say, "Ooh, I'm gonna play," because as you see, if you would have talked about it hitting the D leg and coming all the way down here, you would have been salty as shit because it hit the D leg, it bounced all the way up high as fuck. You still gotta wait for confirmation. If you wanted to sell right here, you would have been salty. Boom, yanked all the way up. If you wanted to sell right here, you would have fell down. You would have 202. You would have caught the move to 185, but then it was stuck. Pull back up here. Then it stayed above here. It double bottomed. You feel me? And then gapped up. Oh Lord. You feel me? Back at entry. So, hey man, I'm waiting on Google to do that, and I'm waiting on QQQ to do that. Let's be patient. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the stupid ass job that I hate. And I'm just gonna smoke my weed, chill, go to the gym. Rinse and repeat over and over and over again. So I just wait to see. We should see a pullback from this area now. You feel me? So let's see what's up. Like and subscribe.